For the longest time, UV printing was just a thing for the pros. Expensive, complicated, and made for factories. But all that is about to change with the Eufy Make E1, the world's first personal UV printer. Isn't that right, Pierre?
It's allowed me to add some texture and context into my work.
And so much more. With innovative AI algorithms, you can add a new dimension to your creativity, turning 2D designs into 3D textures with ease, no experience needed. But where's the fun in painting just one kind of texture? Not to mention all the true-to-life colors to create with.
So you can use like acrylic, wood, stainless steel, just name it and you can probably print it. But for me, what's the real magic, it can bring my child's drawings to life. Like turn our shared imagination into something we can touch, hold, and cherish forever.
Now that's memory making made to last. But what if you're looking to scale up your projects?
Now I can create on any surface in ways I never imagined.
Think everything you love about printing studios, now small enough to live on your desk and powerful enough to redefine what's possible. With laser precision and versatile accessories, every brushstroke, embossing, and texture comes to life flawlessly. And the verdict?
The precision is amazing. It nails everything from tiny icons to full-body graphics, even printing on different shapes and surface. It brings my crazy ideas to life with incredible accuracy.
I can now add my own personal touch to anything in mere minutes.
Ready to turn your creativity into something more? An efficient, intelligent workflow makes starting your own business easier than ever. Auto height adjustment ensures flawless results on any surface. And with a variety of smart, easy-to-use accessories, you can work more efficiently, offer more, and stay competitive within a wide range of customizable products.
Every attachment lets me turn ideas into something personal. Cups, stickers, even large prints. It's more than just printing, it's creating something meaningful. And my customers see the value in that, and that makes all the difference.
The difference doesn't just end there. With rising production costs, we're also making it easier than ever to create locally, save more, and grow your business. Keeping your creative streak flowing is also easier than ever with our built-in self-cleaning system. Giving you more time to do what you love. Light up your world. Spark your true color with the Eufy Make UV Printer E1. Here's to the creators who inspire us and bring bold ideas to life. Thank you for making it real with us.